You received your FIXD sensor, so now what? To start the installation process, there are a couple things you will want to double check in your smartphone settings. First, ensure that Bluetooth is turned on. You will do so in your phone's menu settings. Next, turn Wi-Fi off for your device. You are now ready to download the FIXD app for your smartphone through the App Store or Google Play Store for Android devices. Find and install the FIXD app. You may need to enter your Apple ID and password. Open the FIXD app and register an account. To register an account, you will be prompted to enter your information and create a password. The sliding scale indicates how you keep up with your maintenance on your vehicle. Move the scale to the right if you prefer to take your vehicle to the shop. Move it to the left if you perform more work on your vehicle. Enable push notifications so that we can keep you updated on latest app releases and notify you when FIXD has identified an issue with your vehicle. Once logged in, select I do have a sensor. Then the app will prompt you to add your sensor by entering the CV code found on the back of the sensor. Now it is time to turn on your vehicle. Once the vehicle is on, plug the sensor into the OBD2 port. This port is usually found under the steering wheel on the driver's side. The port location varies by vehicle and may be protected by a cover. If you cannot find your port for some reason, please visit our website. Once you find the OBD2 port, tap I found it in the app. Select the sensor that is now visible on your screen. Your phone is now connected and you can name the sensor. We suggest naming the sensor after the vehicle in use. Your vehicle will be automatically paired after you have connected the sensor. If the app does not automatically read your vehicle's VIN, you will need to enter it manually. Typically, you can find the VIN where the windshield meets the driver's side dashboard, or check the driver's side door. Now that you have entered the VIN, your vehicle will be added and you can start scanning. Tap the wrenches on the home screen in the FIXD app to start the scan. If there are any issues, you will find the explanation and severity of the codes here. We have a few problems detected for this vehicle. You are now on your way to a healthier vehicle. Thanks for listening and safe driving.